Not gonna lie, morale is low. This wall, we're starting now. I was able to bring, or my husband brought the wet saw into here, so we're gonna see how that goes, but hopefully it expedites this tiling situation. So let's get going. So I'm basically just going to copy the measurements for this side and do it on this side. Here we go. It's spicy in here. What's going on? Okay. First tile, here we go. Today is a good day because I am going to finish the tiling finally after a very long process, and I think today is also the second last day that I'm gonna have to set up the bathtub for the tiling because my son has still been bathing in it in the evening. So let's get this going. I am very excited and I want you to come with me. I just have 3 rows up here. I'm gonna have to navigate this and then just have to put final tiles underneath the niche. I also have my work cut out for me in terms of cleaning all the mortar off. That's probably gonna take quite a while. Oh, let's start with that. I'm gonna cut it, but I wanted to see if that would cover it. I think it will. I'm very proud of myself and very grateful to my husband for supporting me in doing this to see if I can do it myself. And for watching our baby boy. And with that, the tiling portion is done. Next up is grout, and then we're gonna fix the ceiling. Hope you stay tuned. It's grout time, not gonna lie, morale is low. We're nearing almost the third month. I don't remember, but we're on to grouting. I feel like since starting this, we've gotten sick twice. We're just getting over another sickness. But yeah, perseverance, getting this done. So let's go. Say something really quick because when I edit this, I might regret not saying anything. Very, very happy with how it's turning out. The grout definitely covers up a lot of my mistakes, which I'm very happy about. And then you can definitely see the my son is sleeping right now, so it's sketchy. You can definitely see the bulge right here, where that protruding 2x4 was. But I don't know, honestly, I don't care anymore. You know, you just get to the end of a project or near the end and you're just like, I don't know, just don't care anymore. I mean, I do, but yeah. So I just finished this wall. My arms are feeling it. I just want to sit in the bathtub. It's very dirty. I just want to sit in the bathtub to make sure that when I look up at the tile, I didn't miss anything super glaring, so I'm going to do that. Okay, at some point you just have to let go and stop over analyzing everything. So let's do this done. So it has been a week or so since I grouted this. Here it is.